Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do an update here for JASMY. So JASMY right now is trading at 0.03431. Taking a look on the weekly time frame, we can see that JASMY continues to hold above our 38% of our fib, which we flagged in our last video is a key area of support. Now, taking a look here, we have seen that the bulls have successfully defended this week after week here around our 38%. So this will be a very crucial area going forward. Now, when we take a look at the price here, we are mainly in the middle of our 50% of our fib. So we know this is going to be an area of resistance. Taking a look at some of our indicators, we see the RSI here is at 55%, which does show some neutral momentum. However, if we take a look at our MACD indicator, we do see some signals or some lack of signals in terms of the bulls here. We do ideally want to see bigger histograms or these bars and darker in color to show the dominancy of the bulls regaining power. Now, what we do ideally want to see here is this candlestick mainly opening up a little bit. It is a little bit concerning for me as a spinning top candlestick observed closer to the bottom may show some weakness in terms of the bulls. However, if we do see significant increase of volume closer to this area of resistance of 0.03606, we may be able to regain control and push beyond our 50% of our Fibonacci. Now, quickly taking a look on our daily time frame, this is where things get a little bit more interesting. If we take a look here, we see after the price has consolidated, coming down to an area of support, resistance from that previous break from this area of resistance, we do see some bullish momentum. Now, taking a look at the previous candlestick here, this does show some bearish signs. If we do see a green candlestick in this session here, ideally an engulfing candlestick, then I can see that the momentum can come up and retest the area of resistance at 0.03606. However, if we do see a more red signaling and a red cloud over of our candlestick, then we may see the price coming down to this area of support. When we take a look at some of our indicators here, the RSI is at 46%, suggesting some bearish momentum is starting to come in. And if we take a look at our MACD indicator here, we do see some momentum building downwards in terms of the bears. So we're seeing that kind of tug or war. Most likely here, we are going to retest the 50% or the 50 moving average around 0.0336, and we may be stuck in this price consolidation. Now, taking a look at our 4-hour time frame here, this does show a little bit more price movement in terms of our in-day traders. I'm just going to do a Fibonacci level to take a look at some of our refined targets, especially what you guys should be looking for in the next couple of hours to come. Now, taking a look at the 4-hour time frame here, we can see that the price is reacting around our 50% of our Fibonacci, which is going to be an area of support. As we can see, a few bearish signals may hint that we may not hold on to this support. Taking a look at the RSI here at 51% angling downwards, especially that cross below our signal line does show us some bearish signals, including the MACD indicator where we see these histograms getting smaller in sizes. So the bullish momentum may be easing off, especially coming up to this area, a retest of this area of resistance. So key areas here that you guys can take away is a break above the 61% of our fib, but most importantly, closing above our 50 moving average, where we see is closely aligned to this area of support where the price is hovering just slightly above here. If we're able to break above our 50% in green bullish candles, then essentially our key area of resistance is going to come up to the 0.035, possibly depending on how strong momentum builds up in terms of the bulls, we may see at 0.038. Now, on the downside, we are testing this key area of support currently right now and another area of support, which is our 50 MA. If we do see a strike below here and close below it, we can see our next target is going to be our 38% of our Fibonacci, which was that previous W or double bottom that we saw in our last video. But let me know what you guys think down below here. What are your thoughts in terms of JASMY going into the new year? I'm hoping that on our weekly time frame, we saw a lot of bullish signals, but we do need to see the close of this week to see if we're able to see that reversal and that nice bounce. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.